Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AppSheet to automate forms with Google Workspace. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable AppSheet to automate forms with Google Workspace, first, open AppSheet in your web browser. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, click on Start from your own data to create a new app. Select Google Sheets as your data source. Choose the specific Google Sheet that contains the data you want to automate. After selecting the sheet, AppSheet will automatically generate an app based on your data. Next, navigate to the Behavior section in the AppSheet editor. Click on Automations to set up your form automation. Select Create a new automation and name your automation workflow. Choose the type of event that will trigger the automation, such as add a row. Define the conditions that need to be met for the automation to execute. Now, go to the Tasks section under your automation workflow. Click on Add a task and select Send an email to notify users. You can customize the email subject and body to provide necessary information. Make sure to include dynamic fields from your Google Sheet to personalize the email content. Next, test the automation by adding a new entry to your Google Sheet. Return to AppSheet and check if the automation triggered as expected. If everything works correctly, your AppSheet is now set up to automate forms with Google Workspace. You can continue to refine your app by exploring additional features and functionalities available in AppSheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.